Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while since I've uploaded. I apologize. But as you can tell, I did a thing. Finally got me some bar ends. Been waiting for these for a while now, probably a week, 2 weeks, something like that. So they finally came yesterday and I installed them this morning. So just went for a quick ride to set up the mirrors so I can see behind me and stuff. And after I did that, well, here we are. So come along with me for a little bit of a ride. Not going to be too long, kind of a short one, but should be enjoyable as always. But yeah, so let's go. I must say they're really nice. I love the look. The bike looks kind of like, it looks more like a naked bike than with the standard mirrors. I mean, I don't have anything against the standard mirrors. I just prefer the look of the bar ends. They just look a lot cleaner and I feel they make the bike look more aggressive. Traffic's not too crazy. I feel it's better than yesterday. Yesterday there was a lot of traffic. But yet again, everyone, or most people, did all of their shopping yesterday. So a lot less people are gonna be, a lot less people are going to be driving around today for shops and stuff like that. I did not want to go this way actually. There's a lot of like sand in the road up ahead, so I kind of messed up going this way. Everyone is out today. I mean, it is a nice Sunday, and a lot of people are on leave from work and stuff, so I guess it kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Man, I love these bar ends. They're so nice. It makes the bike so clean in like the I guess you would call it the cockpit of the bike. It makes it so clean. I love it. Thing is, I love this stop sign, but I hate it because people like running that stop sign. I'm pretty sure I said this in a previous video too, but you have to be so careful when you drive through that stop sign from where I just came. Otherwise, it is extremely sketchy. Actually, it is extremely sketchy, non-stop. Dude, the weather for a ride is so good today. Like, I actually love it. It's so nice actually riding on a weekend. Well, it's nice because it's after like an entire week, you know? But at the same time, in the week, like, everyone's at work and who knows what. So in the week, it's also very nice because there's no one out. Or, okay, it's very relaxed, let me say that. There's a lot less people. But, I mean, I haven't rode this entire week besides yesterday and today. So, I mean, I'm really happy to be on the bike. I'm always happy to be on the bike, let me rather say that. I love it every single time I get to ride it. Every time. The barns are actually kind of like in such a way that you can see more directly behind you than the standard ones. But at the same time, I can still see like the lanes to my back left, if that makes sense. I just didn't like fill these holes up. I don't have what do you call those? The mirror plugs. So I ordered some. I'm going to order some, and then I'll put those in there. Whoopsie, too much throttle. I gated off my area where I take pictures. Not sure why they would do that. It's fine, found me a new one. Out to take some pictures. Pictures have been completed. I'll probably edit that part out. Just so you don't have to watch me taking pictures and stuff. Man, they really need to do something about those holes. They're not even potholes, they're like full-on quarries. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Have a good rest of your day, whatever day it may be. Yeah, goodbye.